In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Trello with Zapier. Zapier is a no-code automation platform that links your favorite apps so they work together, saving you time on repetitive tasks. In this walkthrough, we'll build a simple automation that listens for activity in Google Forms and then sends it over to Trello. By the end, you'll have the core connection in place, ready to turn form responses into organized Trello items. Start by going to the Zapier website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create option and click it. From there, choose the option to make a new zap. A zap is Zapier's term for an automation made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that follows. Let's set up the trigger first. Click on Trigger to select the app that will kick things off. In the search bar, type Google Forms, then click on it from the results. Zapier will ask you to choose an event. An event is the specific activity in Google Forms that should start the automation, such as when a new response is submitted. Pick the event that best fits your needs and proceed. Next, you'll connect your Google account. Click to connect, then follow the prompts to authorize Zapier. You may be asked to grant permissions so Zapier can detect form activity. Make sure you're using the correct account that owns or has access to the form you want to use. After the trigger is set, it's time to define what happens next. Click on Action to choose the app that will respond to your trigger. In the search field, type Trello and select it. You'll again be asked to choose an event. This tells Trello what to do when the trigger fires, for example, creating a new card. Select the event that matches the outcome you want. Now connect your Trello account, click to connect, approve the authorization, and confirm any access requests. If you use multiple workspaces or boards, ensure you're authorizing the account with the right permissions so your action can run smoothly. At this point, you've linked a Google Forms trigger to a Trello action, and both accounts are connected. That's the essential foundation of your automation. From here, Zapier will guide you through the remaining on-screen steps to finalize details specific to your setup. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you're logged into the correct accounts and that the necessary permissions are granted. And that's it. Your core Zap is ready to turn form activity